Make a great choice today with the 2008 Avenger. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger, you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need. Your new ride is just a phone call away.